Go over to my colleague Nikhil Lakhwani at this point. Nikhil, you are at AIIMS where doctors are protesting. Anger for what happened in Kolkata has been witnessed across the country. Doctors, young women, interns, trainees, all of them are out protesting, Nikhil. How are they responding to what the court has said, to the handover to the CBI, and also the very scathing observations really that the court has said? Are they planning to continue their protests? What do you know, Nikhil? Go ahead, please.
Well, Isna, currently we are reporting from outside the AIIMS, which is one of the prominent central government-run facility. And we are currently in conversation. We are joined by Dr. Rishi Raj, who is the General Secretary for the FEMA, which is equally important when it comes to the Doctors Association. डेली सर हम देख रहे हैं कि सर्विसेज इम्पैक्ट हो रही हैं, आप लोग भी प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं. सीबीआई को जांच दे दी गई है, प्रिंसिपल का रेजिग्नेशन की बात हो रही है, आप कह रहे हैं कि ट्रांसफर कर दिया गया है. किस तरीके से प्रोटेस्ट आगे बढ़ेगा? क्या सीबीआई इंक्वायरी के बाद अब थोड़ा सा ठंडा पड़ेगा मामला? कैसे देखें?
सर, हम लोग का प्राइमरी जो सीबीआई इंक्वायरी है वो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, हम लोग का डिमांड था. बट द मेन थिंग इज दैट कि सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट, सेंट्रल हेल्थ केयर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट एक होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जब तक वो एक्ट लागू नहीं होगा तब तक एक भय का माहौल, जो भी असोल्टर्स है या जो भी ऐसे जो तथ्य में काम करते हैं, जो कि असोल्ट करते हैं, मारते हैं, जैसे कि अभी हमारे रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर्स का ब्रूटल रेप एंड मर्डर हुआ था, तो वैसे केसेस में लोगों के अंदर भय पैदा होना चाहिए कि ऐसा नियम कानून है कि अगर ऐसा वापस कुछ करने का सोचे भी तो भी इसके पीछे ऐसा स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस है कि आपको हार्ड से हार्ड सजा मिल सकता है.
एक मैं जनरल पब्लिक के अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए समझना चाहूंगा, जो सीपीए की आप लोग बात करते हैं, सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट, वो है या उसमें अमेंडमेंट आप लोग चाह रहे हैं?
देखिए, जब हम लोग को कोविड पैंडेमिक था वो टाइम पर ये एक्ट लागू हुआ था, बट आफ्टर दैट एक्ट मतलब कि डीएक्टिव हो गया. तो अभी जाके अभी के लिए कोई टाइप का सीपीए नहीं है. हम लोग का ये मांग है कि सेंट्रल हेल्थ केयर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट होना चाहिए, जिसके चलते डॉक्टर्स को अपने आप को सेफगार्ड करना पड़ेगा. गवर्नमेंट अपने डॉक्टर्स को सेफगार्ड करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो ऐसा माहौल. ये कोई पहली इंसिडेंट नहीं है सर कि जिसमें ऐसा कुछ हुआ है. हाँ, ब्रूटल रेप एंड मर्डर ही पहला हुआ है. बाकी आप अगर देखोगे सोशल मीडिया पे, आप अगर सिर्फ ओपन करके देखोगे तो कितने ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स है कितने स्टेट्स में जहां पे डॉक्टर्स असोल्टेड हुए हैं.
ठीक है, ये आपने वैलिड पॉइंट रेज किया. आखिरी सवाल मैं आपसे लूंगा, प्रोटेस्ट किस तरफ आप जाते हुए देख रहे हैं? क्योंकि ओपीडी सर्विसेज, खासकर आपको पता है एम्स जैसी फैसिलिटी हो, अपोजिट में सफदरजंग है, लोगों को महीनों, कुछ लोगों को बहुत लंबा टाइम लगता है. उसके बाद अगर सर्विसेज नहीं मिल पाए, कहाँ जाके ये प्रोटेस्ट रुके?
देखिए, हम लोग का सर बहुत, हम लोग का जो डिमांड्स का लिस्ट जो हम लोग ने तैयार किया था और हम लोग ने सबको सर्कुलेट भी हुआ है, मीडिया पे है, उसमें से एक थर्ड मांग था सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट का. तो हम लोग का ये वापस रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा गवर्नमेंट से एंड हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री से कि प्लीज एटलीस्ट जो सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट है वो हम लोग का एक जेन्युइन डिमांड है. हम लोग कुछ अलग या हम लोग कुछ ऐसा डिमांड नहीं करे जो कि नहीं मान सकते. सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट के लिए तो कितने एविडेंसेस है जहां पे ये हुआ है. तो ये हम लोग का डिमांड अभी के लिए सबकी बहुत, जो अभी हम लोग का पूरा फुल मोमेंटम है कि जब तक सीपीए नहीं होगा तब तक हम लोग स्ट्राइक विड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते. क्योंकि सर अगर अभी स्ट्राइक विड्रॉ कर देंगे या कुछ भी होगा तो वापस चीज होगा ही है, एंड ये है कि चीज होगा. इसलिए हम लोग का बहुत जेन्युइन रिक्वेस्ट है गवर्नमेंट से टू काइंडली थिंक on implementing the CPA or at least form the committee for CPA.
ठीक है, Dr. Rishi, thank you so much for speaking to us. So as we have already told you, and Sneha, just allow me with some couple of seconds additionally. These are the doctors who have come here to mark their protest. These are the part of the IMA South Delhi, I am being told. And sir, I assume you are the IMA president for South Delhi region. Talk to us about how exactly do you view the situation. There are the talks as well, which is currently ongoing with the government. What are your views on this?
So definitely our views is that it's a very alarming situation right now. It's the main thing which we are absolutely worried about is the security of the doctors. You know, this thing happened in a government medical college, inside the college. So our first thing which comes to our mind is definitely my children also, they are in Maulana Azad, they are in Hindu Rao. I mean, they just go and that is supposed to be the safest place. And we are catering to anything and anybody. Any sort of patient can come, any sort of person can come. So the security lapse is the biggest thing. So what definitely we want as an IMA South Delhi branch family, we are all here and it comprises of about 5,000 doctors, all the private hospitals, from different hospitals people have come. So our first thing is the security for the children, for the RDAs, for the doctors, in all the hospitals, in the government as well as other hospitals. And second thing which comes to our mind is like, what about, when we see these things, the most problematic thing is there is no format in which this should happen. You know, it is very random. A person is, or anybody's daughter or a girl or a doctor who's so tired, who's just going back to relax or something, and she's not safe there. And finally, there has been such a big hue and cry about this. There are so many agencies, you know, even associations like IMA, then there are like FODA, then FIMA. We are all fighting for it. Associations like even the Medscape, there are so many, they are fighting for it. And we just want that the national bill, which has been in the box like for so many years for the violence against doctors. You know, there are so many violences happening and still there is nothing.
Okay, I'll come back to you, sir. But also what we are going to show our viewers that these are the group of doctors. These are from the IMA, Indian Medical Association, particularly from the South Delhi branch. And in a short while from now, they are going to carry out the candlelight march. And gradually, Sneha, we are going to see more and more gathering, which is going to be experienced to mark their protest. Let's take a quick word from some of the women doctors as well. Ma'am, as a women doctor, how do you view the situation?
I feel over girls. I am Dr. Pal from Apollo Hospital, and I have been president of IMA South Delhi branch. And I feel my juniors, especially girls, are so unsafe in the premises where they are coming to serve people, serve patients, and they are getting up all night. It is very, very unfortunate such thing has happened. Our first demand is there should be fast track investigation, and nobody should be spared. Whatever their coverage of whatever political or whatever they have, they should not be spared, so that the rest of the fraternity is ready to serve the country, especially the ladies.
Okay, ma'am, the case has been transferred to the CBI already. There is verbal communication which is currently ongoing with that of the IMA president with the health minister. Do you see there is going to be some solution in the days to come? Because on one side, the protest continues to take place. On another side, there are patients as well who are equally facing the brunt.
Now, the problem is that the government of West Bengal is trying to hide the whole situation. They are not coming out with the truth. And that's the sad part of the whole story. So if CBI can really dig out the real culprits, because the culprit they have shown doesn't seem to be the real culprit. We are still in the dark. This is a matter of women's safety. It is just not about doctor only. It's about a woman's safety. And a woman who's working inside the hospital can be brutally raped and murdered like this. It has to be much deeper than just simple lack of security. There is deeper, much bigger problem which hasn't come out in the surface, which the government of the state is trying to hide. I am a Bengali myself, and I feel outraged. As a woman, I'm outraged. As a doctor, I'm outraged. And as a Bengali, also I'm outraged. This is the state of affairs.
Okay, so this is the word which is coming in clearly from the side of the IMA in particular. On one side, we are also seeing that hundreds of the RDA members who are the junior doctors, they are protesting day by day. On another side, the IMA have also joined the chorus, and as we have already mentioned, that in a short while from now, they are going to carry out the candle march. But at the same time, they have raised their concerns with the kind of the investigation which currently taking place as far as the matter is concerned. Back to you.
Right. Nikhil, thank you very much for joining us with those details.